Step 1. Access Clipchamp.com. Choose Try for free with Gmail. Clipchamp is Microsoft's video editing software. Step 2. Select Create a new video, and then choose Record and Create Text-to-Speech. Here, we have almost all the languages we need. You can select any language you require. After selecting the language, the next step is to choose the voice style, voice pitch, and speech speed. Step 3. Enter the text that you want to convert into speech. Clipchamp doesn't have a specific word limit, but based on my personal experience, it's advisable not to enter an excessive amount of text. Step 4. Use Audacity. If you don't have Audacity, I have provided the link in the description below. Now, let's enable the preview in Clipchamp and record the audio using Audacity. Continue this process until your entire text is spoken. If your text is long, you can simply pause Audacity, enter the remaining text into Clipchamp, and continue recording the rest. Continue this process until your entire text is spoken. By doing so, you can perform text-to-speech without any limitations. Step 5. Review the result and save it. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling green hills, there lived a curious and adventurous little boy named Oliver. With rosy cheeks, sparkling blue eyes, and a mischievous smile, Oliver was Step 6. You might be wondering why I didn't directly use the Save to Media option on Clipchamp instead of using Audacity. The first reason is that you can only use this audio file within Clipchamp and cannot use it in other places. The second reason is that you may be limited in the duration of the audio file if you need to perform text-to-speech for a larger amount of text. I hope that I have provided you with useful and entirely new information to support your work. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smarted for more amazing content.